Deleting Scarcity 101. Welcome into this video where I'm going to be going over getting rid of the scarcity of leads for flooring business owners. If you don't already know who I am, if you haven't seen any of my content, any of my Instagram content, my name is Noah Arnold. I run a company helping flooring companies grow their company from 4 to 5 jobs a month inconsistent to 10 to 15 consistent jobs every month, okay? Using the contractor authority funnel. I talk about it a lot in other videos. Feel free to check those out as well. But in this video, like I said, we're going to be going over how to get rid of not getting jobs. For the most of you guys watching this, maybe you're around 4 to 5 jobs a month, okay? And you're just not getting jobs because you're getting your leads from sites like Thumbtack, where they're using their own marketing strategies to get their leads where they then dish off to you, right? You become the last person in the funnel to get these leads, even if you do get them. Okay, you have to bid for these jobs where you're paying for them, and they're dishing off the leads that they're getting privately, they're dishing them off to you. Okay, you're also waiting for referrals, sitting around and waiting for referrals and word of mouth, right? You're trusting your GCs too much to give you these jobs, right? You say, oh, I'm getting all my jobs from my GCs, but they're not paying me enough. Okay, what do you expect? You're getting paid $2 to $4 per square foot, right? There's no reason you shouldn't be charging $5, $6, $7 per square foot. You just have to have that authority in place, okay? I also do see a lot of companies beginning to create authority or starting to build this online presence, but you're really not doing it in the orderly fashion that you should be, where I hope that it's working for you guys, but it's not going to work if you're using the wrong strategy and you're using it in the incorrect order. Right, you're starting to build your online presence by just posting regularly, but then you run direct advertising to this company or to this page. You can't just put money into an image and call it an ad. You can't just put money into a video and call it an ad, watch it not work, watch your money crash, and say advertising sucks. It's not my problem, you tried it, you know what I mean? You can't just try advertising one time incorrectly and say it doesn't work, all right? You also can't be relying on these ads on Yelp and Google and SEO, right? They're helpful, but they do not gain as much traction as you would if you were to actually implement building this contractor authority funnel. This is a direct funnel where you build this online presence organically, then boosting, then advertising. You're paying for eyeballs, you're paying for leads to see what you have to offer. Your online presence needs to be likable. These prospects that come across your page need to be held there. Alright, so you can't just be posting boring before and afters, okay? Before and afters are great, but they can't be boring. Like I said, post the process, okay? There's a whole in-depth structure of what to post, when to post, all of that. I have multiple videos talking about that. Feel free to check out my page. But this funnel is essentially authority creation, then job generation, then scaling. So job generation is actually generating jobs, like it says in the name, right? So you're actually running content plus targeted marketing plus retargeting marketing, okay? So content marketing is driving eyeballs to your content that you already have posted up. Targeted marketing is driving traffic that has never seen you before, but you go for the demographics of age, gender, their interests, etc. You go for those interests in your city, and they begin to become your prospects on your organically built or your brand authority page, right? This is the job generation portion where it is advertising. Then retargeting ads is retargeting the people who haven't gone through the complete funnel. Let's say the funnel is they come across your page and they begin getting nurtured, and then they purchase or they close and they begin to become a customer, or they become a customer for your company, right? Let's say they don't fully become a customer and they end up getting out of the funnel. A retargeting ad grabs these people who haven't gone through the entire funnel but have gone through some of it or know who you are. Retargeting ads grab these people, grab these prospects, and bring them right back into the top of the funnel. Okay, so you begin nurturing them with consistent nurturing, where not because you have this ad running you stop posting completely. You have this ad running, you post more, okay? You get these people to consistently see you every day. Psychologically, people need to see you 7 times before they fully trust you and before they fully commit to a purchase, right? So this online presence is for you to get your prospects to begin to know, like, and trust you before booking in this estimate. That is the key detail, okay? A lot of these companies are hoping that these people trust them by the time they get to their home. But when you have this built, they as in the prospects already know, like, and trust you. They know who you and your team are. They like what you guys do. They like what you're about. and they trust you. They trust you to come into their home with their kids around and do the job, do the installation, do the refinishing. With this system in place, you have a proven stream of leads coming in where you know you put $1 in, you're guaranteed to get 5 out provenly, right? And that goes up and up. I know people putting $1 in getting $17 out. I know people putting in $1 and getting $39 out. So with this proven process in place, you eliminate the need of these external outdated methods and use this new strategy to bring in your own private leads, where then you can dish off and become the head honcho, where you can dish off and give it to subcontractors or your team, right? Your hires. So this really just puts you in the position of this brand authority figure in your niche, in your city. So everybody in your city knows who you are, right? They see you all the time. Hopefully you guys got some value from this. Implement some of this stuff if you can. Try your hardest to begin building that online presence. If you want to sit down and have a one-on-one chat with me, like I said, click the link below. We can have a one-on-one chat privately, sit down, talk more about your situation. If you want to follow me on Instagram, at noah.o.arnold. Feel free to follow my Instagram. I have a bunch more content with a bunch more value. Alright, stay tuned to my YouTube. I'm going to continue to post a ton of videos just giving free value to the flooring community, to the flooring business. Really just, I see the trajectory of where it can grow, and nobody's doing this yet. If you guys click the link below, we can sit down and have a one-on-one chat. And that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next videos.